Apostrophe. The apostrophe is one of the most commonly used punctuation marks. The two main purposes of an apostrophe include: it is used for omission. This is when letters are missed out. It is used for possession, to show ownership. Let's explore each one in more detail. The apostrophe is used to show that letters have been missed out. For example, we will, when these two words are contracted, i.e. joined together, it becomes wheel. Notice that the letters that have been missed out are replaced with an apostrophe. Let's have a look at another example. Cannot becomes can't. The apostrophe is also used to show ownership. This is called possession. The easiest way to remember this is to ask yourself how many owners are there. If there is only one owner, then simply add an apostrophe, then S. Let's take a look at an example. The phone belonging to the man. Let's rewrite this sentence so that we include an apostrophe. It would become the man's phone. Ask yourself, how many men are there? There is only one man, so we add an apostrophe and then S. This therefore shows that the phone belongs to the man. So what happens if there is more than one owner? If there is more than one owner, you need to consider the plural that is being used. If the plural ends in the letter S, then you just need to add the apostrophe after the S. Let's take a look at an example. The house belonged to his parents. Let's rewrite this so we can include an apostrophe. We would write the parents' house. Notice that parents is plural. So as there is already an S and there is more than one owner, we only need to add an apostrophe after the S. So in this case, the parents' house. The house belongs to the parents. However, if the plural doesn't end in S, then you need to add an apostrophe, then an S. Let's take a look at an example. The children's teacher. Notice that children is the plural form, and it does not end in an S. We therefore need to add an S and make sure there's an apostrophe before it. Let's summarize the uses of an apostrophe. If there is one owner, then you simply need to add an apostrophe S. If there is more than one owner and the plural already ends in an S, then you simply add an apostrophe after the S. Finally, if there is more than one owner and the plural does not end in an S, then you need to add an apostrophe, then an S. However, there is one exception when using the apostrophe. This is related to the word its. Just remember that if you can say it is, then it becomes its with an apostrophe. Its without the apostrophe means of it. Let's take a look at some examples. It's a shame the cat broke its leg. So in this example, only the first its would have an apostrophe because it can be replaced with it is. Let's take a look at another example. It's hard to believe that the dog lost its tail. In this example, we can also replace the first it's with it is. So we could say, it is hard to believe that the dog lost its tail. Have a go at writing some of your own examples using the apostrophe. Write your examples in the comment section below. Good luck!